Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. Hello and welcome to our in-depth review of the 2025 Toyota JPN Auto Rickshaw, an innovative and eco-friendly alternative to traditional three-wheelers. Toyota has always been at the forefront of automotive engineering, and with this new electric auto rickshaw, the company is setting new standards for urban mobility. This vehicle is designed to meet the growing demand for sustainable transportation solutions while maintaining the reliability and efficiency that Toyota is known for. Whether you are a driver, fleet operator, or an environmentally conscious commuter, the 2025 Toyota JPN Auto Rickshaw offers a compelling package that balances performance, comfort, and cost-effectiveness. The first thing that stands out about the 2025 Toyota JPN Auto Rickshaw is its modern and aerodynamic design. Unlike conventional auto rickshaws that prioritize function over form, Toyota has managed to strike a balance between aesthetics and practicality. The vehicle features smooth, flowing lines that reduce air resistance, enhancing overall efficiency. The front fascia is designed with a futuristic touch, incorporating LED headlights and a digital display panel for enhanced visibility and accessibility. The body structure is made from lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring both safety and efficiency. The roof is slightly curved to improve aerodynamics and provide better protection against harsh weather conditions such as rain and extreme sunlight. Additionally, the doors, which are an optional feature in some variants, offer extra protection and security, making the vehicle more versatile in different operating environments. The seating arrangement inside the Toyota JPN Auto Rickshaw has been meticulously designed to offer maximum comfort to both drivers and passengers. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed with an adjustable backrest to reduce fatigue during long working hours. The passenger cabin is spacious compared to traditional rickshaws, accommodating up to 3 passengers comfortably. The seats are cushioned with high-quality, weather-resistant materials that ensure durability and easy maintenance. There is also ample legroom, a feature that many existing auto rickshaws lack. The flooring is made of non-slip materials to ensure passenger safety, especially during rainy conditions. Additionally, Toyota has included grab handles and seat belts, further enhancing passenger security. Moving on to performance, the 2025 Toyota JPN Auto Rickshaw is powered by a state-of-the-art electric drivetrain. The electric motor delivers an impressive amount of torque instantly, making acceleration smooth and efficient. Unlike traditional auto rickshaws that rely on internal combustion engines, this electric model eliminates the need for frequent refueling, reducing operational costs significantly. The vehicle comes equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack that provides a range of approximately 150 kilometers on a single charge. This range is more than sufficient for daily urban commutes, catering to the needs of ride-hailing services and last-mile delivery operations. Charging the 2025 Toyota JPN Auto Rickshaw is both convenient and cost-effective. It supports both normal and fast charging options, allowing users to charge the battery at home using a standard power outlet or at public charging stations equipped with fast charging technology. With fast charging, the battery can be replenished up to 80% in under an hour, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The intelligent battery management system ensures optimal charging cycles, preventing overcharging and extending the battery lifespan. Additionally, regenerative braking technology helps recover lost energy during deceleration, further enhancing overall efficiency. One of the most crucial aspects of any vehicle is its driving dynamics, and Toyota has ensured that this electric rickshaw delivers a smooth and stable ride. The suspension system is finely tuned to absorb shocks and vibrations, providing a comfortable ride even on rough and uneven roads. The independent front suspension and rear shock absorbers work together to minimize jolts, making the ride enjoyable for both drivers and passengers. The vehicle also features an advanced electronic stability control system, which improves handling and reduces the risk of skidding on slippery surfaces. Toyota has paid special attention to the braking system of the JPN Auto Rickshaw. The combination of disc brakes in the front and drum brakes in the rear ensures efficient braking performance. Additionally, the vehicle comes with an anti-lock braking system (ABS), which prevents the wheels from locking up during sudden braking, reducing the chances of accidents. This is a significant upgrade compared to traditional rickshaws, which often lack such safety features. The regenerative braking system not only improves energy efficiency but also reduces wear and tear on brake components, lowering maintenance costs over time. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Toyota JPN Auto Rickshaw is far ahead of its competitors. The vehicle is built with a high-strength steel frame that enhances structural integrity and provides better crash protection. The inclusion of safety belts for all passengers is a first for many auto rickshaws, ensuring a higher level of occupant safety. Toyota has also integrated a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time information on speed, battery status, and navigation, allowing drivers to stay informed at all times. Some variants come with additional features such as a reverse camera, parking sensors, and an emergency alert system, further enhancing safety. Technology plays a crucial role in modernizing transportation, and Toyota has equipped the JPN Auto Rickshaw with an array of smart features. The vehicle supports smartphone connectivity, allowing drivers to pair their devices via Bluetooth for hands-free calls and music streaming. A dedicated mobile app provides real-time tracking, battery health monitoring, and remote diagnostics, ensuring that fleet operators can manage their vehicles efficiently. Some variants also include GPS navigation with voice-guided assistance, making it easier for drivers to navigate through busy urban streets. One of the major advantages of switching to the 2025 Toyota JPN Auto Rickshaw is its low operational and maintenance costs. Traditional auto rickshaws require frequent oil changes, fuel refills, and mechanical maintenance, all of which add up over time. In contrast, this electric rickshaw has fewer moving parts, reducing the likelihood of mechanical failures and minimizing maintenance expenses. The absence of an internal combustion engine means no oil changes, no exhaust system repairs, and fewer transmission-related issues. The battery pack is designed to last several years with minimal degradation, ensuring a reliable and long-lasting performance. From an environmental perspective, the Toyota JPN Auto Rickshaw is a game-changer. By eliminating tailpipe emissions, it helps reduce air pollution, making cities cleaner and healthier. The electric drivetrain produces zero emissions, significantly lowering the carbon footprint of urban transportation. Additionally, Toyota has incorporated sustainable manufacturing practices, using recyclable materials and energy-efficient production processes to minimize environmental impact. This aligns with global efforts to transition towards greener mobility solutions and supports government initiatives aimed at reducing dependency on fossil fuels. Toyota has introduced multiple variants of the JPN Auto Rickshaw to cater to different customer needs. The base model is designed for cost-conscious buyers, offering essential features at an affordable price. The mid-tier variant includes additional comfort and convenience features such as a digital dashboard, better upholstery, and advanced safety systems. The top-tier variant is targeted at fleet operators and premium ride-hailing services, featuring extended battery range, smart connectivity options, and a higher level of customization. Regardless of the variant, Toyota ensures that all models maintain a high standard of quality and reliability. Overall, the 2025 Toyota JPN Auto Rickshaw is a revolutionary step in urban mobility, combining modern design, advanced technology, and eco-friendly performance. It is an ideal choice for drivers looking to reduce their operational costs, fleet operators seeking reliable electric alternatives, and commuters who prioritize sustainability. Toyota has successfully redefined what an auto rickshaw can be, proving that innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand. As cities continue to embrace electric mobility, the Toyota JPN Auto Rickshaw is well positioned to lead the way in transforming urban transportation for the better.